ships completely flat, cut from a single piece of steel, folds into shape, and is tool free. My name's Jesse. I'm an account manager with Test Right Visual. I'd like to introduce our new product, the Coke branded Origami Folding Merchandiser. As a former sales manager, one of the biggest challenges to overcome was floor space for shippers. They would get abused, tossed in balers, or otherwise destroyed during their tenure in a store. I believe this product is a fantastic alternative to the traditional cardboard hutch. This unit was produced in Coke Red with a contour bottle header for dramatic effect, but the header can be customized to be any shape. Black, white, blue, green can be powder coated to be any color. Graphics can be easily swapped out to suit any promotion or any brand without having to replace the entire shipper. You are not limited to just this design. The Origami can be customized to suit any of your products. I really do genuinely love this thing. We hope to hear from you soon.